Hi everybody, welcome back. Hey, I've got a new project for you. So I'm gonna slowly start to build up a couple of 6mm armies for this set of rules. Twilight of the Soldier Kings, wargaming rules for the battles in the age of Frederick the Great, so the 7 Years' War, from 1730 to 1780, and they're by Nick Dorrell. These are a really nice set of rules. I've tried them before for their Twilight of the Sun King. So, for the time period of Louis XIV. I do like them. They are a little bit on the abstract side, but they do give a good game. And I want to show you what I'm going to start off with. So I'm going to start with painting some 6mm Prussian figures. I'm going to adjust the camera real quick. You guys see what I'm doing here. The figures are from Baccus in the UK. And I'm going to talk about the basing scheme for a little bit because I'm kind of curious as to what others will think about this. A base on this, or a unit for this game, is 2 bases of 60mm wide. Okay, and the depth doesn't matter just so long as the figures fit on it. But what I was thinking about doing, instead of doing 2 bases, which would be 120mm, I'm going to do 1 base that's that wide. So I bought a couple of these. These are 120mm wide by 30mm deep, just to try it out. And I think I actually like the way that looks. Since this is, if I move this, they're all going to fall over, but I got to adjust the camera a little bit so you can actually see what I'm talking about here. I think that'll look pretty good, and that would be a unit for the game. I do like the larger base for diorama purposes, which is why there's a commander in the middle of it. I can do some other things. I could put an artillery piece in the middle of them. There's lots of different things I could do with this kind of basing. So for those of you who game, let me hear your thoughts. Be interested. Also, so I primed my figures. They're all primed white. These are all Prussian infantry. And I do it in small little batches so I don't burn myself out. The next step is I'm going to put a brown or black wash over these to make all the detail pop. And then it'll do a little pre-shading, and then I'm just going to block in color. You should go rather quickly. There's the backs. So there's that. So this is a new little project for me. These are commanders. And again, I'll do the same thing with these. I'll hit these with a brown or black wash, and I'll just make the details pop out a little bit. But yeah, real quick. So, new 6mm armies. Start with Prussians and Austrians. Obviously, I'm going to start with the Prussians first. So, the uniform color for these guys will be, Prussian blue or dark blue coats, white or really pale yellow pants, and then whatever striping and units and stuff like that I'll do. But oops, coming off his tack. But for just gaming purposes, I think it's an excellent way to do the basing. Let me hear your thoughts. Hope everybody's doing well. Merry Christmas to everybody. I hope everybody has a wonderful holiday with family and friends and however you celebrate. And I hope Santa is good to you. I hope you get what you need and what you want. And everybody have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, wonderful holiday. And I will talk to you all real soon. Okay. Bye.